Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you this makeup look for Durga Puja, which is on 15th of October. I really want to share this look with you all. Hope you enjoy. I'm gonna start with my eyes first and then the entire face. So I'm applying the Dermacolor Camouflage Creme all over my eyelid. This is from the Krylon. And then setting it with the pressed powder, I'm using the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One powder. Taking the Colorbar Hook Me Up palette, I'm going to pop right this shade. Then applying it with the flat fluffy eyeshadow brush on my crease as a transition shade. I'm gonna take this golden shade from the IncolorCosmetics Glow Shimmer Brick palette and I'm gonna spray some fixers so that it gives more pigmentation to my shade and apply it on my lid. Then taking the Kingdom of Lashes in Eye Candy and I'm gonna apply it off camera. Taking the same shade from the Colorbar palette and also apply it on my waterline. Then I'm gonna use the Himalaya Herbal Nourishing Cream as a moisturizer on my face. And then applying the Colorbar primer at the areas where I've got some open pores. For the foundation, I'm taking the Fit Me Matte Poreless and I'm in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. And applying it all over my face with the finger, then blending it smoothly with the Beauty Blender. And then I'm taking a Wet n Wild dual-ended contour stick and I'm gonna apply the concealer and also the contour. I didn't know that this is a concealer. I thought it was the highlighter. And then setting it with the Miniso Queen Collection Loose Powder. After that, I'm gonna apply the Volume Million Mascara by L'Oreal on my lower lashes. This mascara is super amazing, like seriously. Then taking the MAC Studio blush in the shade Coral and apply this on the apple of my cheeks. For the highlighter, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, my current favorite highlighter. It just gives beautiful glow to my face. I just love this one. For my lips, I'm using the Ruby Woo by MAC. It's a gorgeous shade for the festive season. Now I'm just going to curl my few hair as I have already did before filming, but I think some curls are loosen up, so just going to make some curls with the curling iron, and I'm just using the Philips curling iron. Then spraying the Hydro Face Mist by Faces. This is enriched with tea tree oil and have a refreshing green apple fragrance. And I'm just going to spray this all over my face. And I'm done. So this is the final look for the Durga Puja festival. I hope you all enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell button so that you'll get notified every time I post videos for you guys. Bye!